Hello everyone, and welcome again to a new lesson of Microsoft Excel powered by Smallhead Big Wisdom. Today I'm going to talk about advanced filters. In a previous video I showed you how to use filters, so let's get started with some advanced options to filter some specific records. I have this list and I copy some of the records, so just to make the options a little bit more flexible. So the first thing that I need to highlight is we need a criteria section, and also we need a section where the records will be copied. So the first thing is to go to data, just click on the table any place, and then filter advanced. So here the list range, so just click on this arrow and highlight everything where the data is located, making sure that the headings are also included. From A1 includes the headings. Now the criteria I click and highlight both the row 2 and row 3 included headings. Click here to return to the previous dialog and then copy to another location. So here I'm gonna say that for the time being let's use filter the list in place and hit OK. So I'm gonna copy and I'm gonna paste it here. Paste. So here is where I'm gonna copy the records that are being filtered. So data advanced, so copy to a new location and I highlight only this row and hit OK. So because it's empty, it will show all the records. So now I'm gonna tell Excel that filters all the last name, Brown, and age 13. So advanced, copy to a new location, because the information is already pre-populated, so I just need to click OK. So here it shows all the records whose last name is Brown and age is 13. If we compare here, last name Brown and age 13, there are only 2 records, which is what is shown here. So this is for AND criteria. What does it mean? It means that both conditions must be fulfilled both conditions must be met, the last name and the age. So this is the condition you see AND. So now let's use greater than 14, and I need to update. So look at the age 13 are not shown now because the condition has been changed. Last name Brown and age greater than 14th. So this is for the condition AND, but now I can use OR. It means when a condition is met or a second one. So here I'm gonna use three fields: last name, gender, nationality, and then on each row I will enter some values. Something important to mention is these headings have to be the same as the main list. So you just copy and paste. So I'm gonna, for instance, last name Paris and gender male and nationality German. So what I'm gonna search is all the records whose last name is Perez and the gender is male, or any record whose nationality is German. So I just go to data, advanced, the list range, I just make sure it's the same, all these. Criteria range, I need to change it because the previous one was this, so now I need to highlight both the three columns and the three rows. And now copy to, yes, I want to copy here, just click OK. And I show all the records that meet the criteria. Last name Paris and gender male. Look, Paris, gender male, Paris, gender male, Paris, gender male. And also have to show or German nationality. Look, German, no matter what last name, just nationality German. Now I want to enter female. So all records with Paris and gender male, or records with nationality German and gender female. So here let's filter again, and it shows all records meeting this criteria. If I want to go back to use this, I need to reassign the new criteria by going to advanced and here criteria range and highlight the new criteria. So here and copy to a new location and brown again. So there is a way to make it a little bit faster. Each time that I need to update, when I change the criteria, I don't need to go here. There is a faster way, that is by creating a macro, but I'm gonna explain in another video how to create macros. But for the time being, I can assign the advanced filter here. So if you go to this drop down, first I'm gonna remove it because I have previously assigned remove from quick access toolbar. And then if I want to reassign it on this drop down, more commands, and here to show all the commands, and then search advanced filter. So double click, is added to the shown list and hit OK. So the filter is assigned. So I'm gonna change to 13. I want all the records brown with age 13. So just OK, 13. Now 15. Just go here, copy. It's a little bit much faster than the previous one, but for the fastest way, as I mentioned, we can use macros and assign to a button, and it's pretty fast. But this is quite useful. So something important is you can use the normal auto filter here, but when you need to use several fields and copy to a specific location, you can use the advanced filter. And then you can copy this information to another sheet or just print or send by email or whatever you need to do with that specific set of data. Okay, so this is the way in which we can use filters. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you soon at Small Head, Big Wisdom.